It's a result of floods that started on 8th of August when the third dam of 3 collapsed in the area of Chatsworth, Riverlands, located close to Malmesbury in the Western Cape. Today was the result of work that was being done by the Department of Water and Sanitation, the National Government Department of Water and Sanitation, where they were working on a spillway to release the water slowly. That did not go according to plan. The spillway, the water quickly flooded the spillway, and this unfortunately resulted in a flash flood that we had affecting again the area of Riverlands, forcing us to evacuate some residents.
We're struggling with everything. We can't say we're struggling with this and that and that. We're struggling with everything. Electricity, water, food, clothes, everything. Like you can see, I'm bare feet. We're struggling with everything. So why don't they just come to a point and just say, that's the story, that's the story. We're trying our best. But now, every time, it's a story, it's a story, it's a story. Just come and tell the truth. Now they put the blame on City of Cape Town, Swartland Municipality, and that people. It's not right. No one wants to take the blame. Hello.
Sila berhenti pada usul tu mereka. Ya.